Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, Servisslimline. Welcome to the channel, y'all. We are here with a Ninja Foodie dual zone 7.6 litre air fryer. So I don't have this one, I've got the Povel version, which is not Ninja, and it's not very good. These ones on the other hand are far better. 7.6, 2 independent cooking zones. You've all seen them. There's a million reviews on these. Non-stick crisper plates. Yep. Main unit. No, 2 non-stick drawers. Sync your food or match. Includes whatever that is. What's it include? Recipe book.
I would say magnifying glass, but...
No, that's fine. Right, okay, unbox it, it's yours.
Well, not really, but yeah.
What do we got?
Box that doesn't...
What's that say?
flat.
Sync your cooking, match your cooking, but yeah, that's fine. What's that?
What's in the box? Instructions and stuff.
Instructions, let's have a look.
Yeah.
Warranty
Safety
card, safety card.
Air fryer, quick start guide.
Quick start guide. Is that the cookbook?
Yeah.
Is it?
That's the cookbook.
Oh yeah. Cookie pamphlet. Right, okay, so we have
What's that?
plug.
Plug.
And the lid. And almost that. Packing.
Oh, packing, right. And then just that, however it comes out.
Empty box. Ha! Shiny Ninja. There we go. Is it?
Yeah, it's got a weird
There we go. Unwrapped.
Let's get into it. Oh no, it's that.
There's
I'm
more
thinking it flips up.
them. Like that. And then you've got your crisper trays. Well, in packaging. Oh, what's that? That's not crisper tray.
No, I don't know what that is.
It's just cardboard.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Wrapped cardboard, yeah.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. So you've got your crisper trays in the bottom.
What's that?
And they fit in there. Right, let's get it on its new home on top of there. Thank you, Ninja, for making a sticker on the top, which has to come off because this is a hot surface, that you've made absolutely really difficult to come off into little pieces. And that looks like the bottom of a Christmas tree. It looks like an angel, actually.
Yeah.
Right, let's spend the next 40 minutes getting that stupid sticker off. Okay, so we got the most of it off, so let's get it on it to its position.
Is it too big for it?
No, just put it on. There we go. Right,
Need an extension lead, I think.
so the first things you have to do with these is to take the drawers out and wash them.
Right.
So we will do that now. Okay, so we've cleaned and dried the drawers. So we put them in. There we go. Switch it on at the mains. Then you get the power. So we got 1 and 2. So we want to do match, which is for the pair of them. Temperature. Max crisp, which is 240. Time, you want it for 10 minutes. So for its first use, empty, put it on max temperature for 10 minutes to get rid of any smells. Press start. And there we go. That'll get rid of any sort of like new smells.
Yeah.
What's the power going to go up to?
Went from 300 to 3 kilowatt.
Yeah. So we're going to leave that on for 10 minutes, just to get rid of any of the new machine smells. Yeah, right. So we'll come back to you when that's done. Yeah, so it's been going on for a few minutes now, and you can definitely smell that new machine smell. There we go. They have ended. They're super hot. But that smell now, you're not going to have that smell. They're nice and clean, and you're not going to have that new machine smell. So I'm not going to cook with them yet because it's still just a little bit early. But I'll come back to you in an hour when we're going to start cooking. And we will do the first demonstration then, so you'll be able to see. See you in a minute, guys. Right, we're back in the kitchen. It's time to cook the cheese and dill salmon Wellington.
Is it good, guys?
Probably. I'll take. Will the chips get stuck in it? Right. So this is 180 for 50 minutes. So,
will it actually take that long when I'm done?
Nah, I don't think so. Oh, wow. Right, where's that spray oil?
Yeah. Oh, is that what you got it?
Yeah. So, if you hold the phone, you do the camera. Alright.
Split into 2 videos now because it's a stupid thing, but no.
Oh, it doesn't matter because it's part of 100 videos. Split. Oh, I know. Let's make a packet where you can't open it.
I know. Let's put the bloody home button on the side of the phone.
Oh my fucking giddy. Oh, it's not going to fit.
Oh, cut it in half.
Nah, I'll just squish it in. No,
No, you can't do that.
Shit! See, this is the problem with...
Double drawers.
No, well, yeah.
Can't you cut it in half and...
Yeah.
Do it that way?
Yeah. Knife.
Draw. Don't let Bubsy see that.
What, the knife?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's glue.
Yeah, exactly. Ooh. Then it's going to spill everywhere. Yay! If I squish it up against there, maybe that'll help.
Maybe. Hang on. Are you not... Oh, you're going to put the chips in the, on top of it or something?
No, I'll have to do the chips fucking separate now. That wasn't good, but never mind. Right, so let's switch it on. I want to do match. Air fry 200, but I want to take the temp down to 180 because it's a fan oven. And time, I'll do it for 30 and we see how we go. Right. We'll be back in 29 minutes.
I'm surprised you don't have to reheat that, preheat that.
I do normally on my old one, but this one's fine.
Okay.
It's really good. It gets the temp really fast.
Okay.
Here you'll be able to see the energy consumption with it fluctuating. Okay, so we've got 6 minutes left. See, it's done a very good job. I did turn the temperature down, unfortunately, because it was too high. It was browning too fast, so I turned the temperature down. And yeah, that's that. Ah, bonjour, en croûte is done. That is very good. I'm going to get these out on the plates and have a look. Okay, now it's time to do the chippies, the French fries. So we want them on max crisp, which is way too high in temperature. So we need to, the packet says to take it down to, no, you can't. Says to take it down to 180 and to cook it for 15 minutes, but I'm going to do it for 8 and then I'm going to shake it and then do it for another 8. Start. Right. Okay, so that's the portion of salmon en croûte done. That did it very well. Wait for the chippies. I'll cover these over so they don't get cold. First 8 minutes are just done. Shake my chippies. Oops, I had a little sprinkling of that. Now I know people are going to say, you shouldn't use that spray oil on it because whatever. Basically, whatever. It's not, my sister hasn't lost a lining in hers, and I doubt very much I don't know, but anyway, I've had no issues with it using that spray oil. Right, let's crack on. Okay, they are done. They are nice and crispy. So I'm gonna salt them while they're in the pan. McDonald's. Right, I'm going to serve them up and then I will show you. There we go. Salmon en croûte with French fries done. Would have been nice if I could have done it in the same time, but it doesn't really matter anyway. So I was going to chop it in half anyway. So it just meant having to wait a bit longer for the chips, but they only took about 10 minutes. So that was really good. And I've left the 2 pans there to soak for a little bit and then they'll go in the dishwasher and get done. So there we go, guys. That was a quick unboxing and first use of the Ninja. It's a really, really nice machine. I much prefer this to the one I've got, which is, I can't remember who makes it, but anyway, I've done a review on it. This one's much better. So I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all. Bon appetit.